Hi friends, today I am going to show you life hacks. I love these life hacks so much and it's just fun and I got so many great ideas. Some you may have heard of, but some I promise you haven't. So okay, starting with on your phone. So all the Christmas cards you get, look at this. Hello Carol family, shout out to them. Take a picture of them and now this is my contact for my friend. So hello, it saves the photo to the contact. So how great is that? Okay, moving on. Okay, old candles. So if you have an old candle, clean it out and put your Q-tips in it. You've heard me talk about this before. How great is that? Then along that line, how about using an old gum container for your Q-tips? Every time I'm on vacation, guess everyone's coming, Mom, do you have a Q-tip? Well, you know I have a Q-tip because I always have a Q-tip because I take this with me and it's a perfect size, and how great is that? Okay, so moving on, keeping with makeup. This little number is from e.l.f. You buy it at the drugstore. It's a little protector so that you don't get the fallout from your shadow. So you take your shadow, dip your brush, and you do the little windshield wiper. And how great is that? Now all the fallout is on this and not under your eye. You're welcome. How great is that? Okay, moving on. If you haven't seen my how to clean your makeup brushes video, go back and watch that. But how about buying a cute little wine canister made out of marble and put your makeup brushes in it? How great is that? Love that. Okay, now here's a practical one. You may think you know this one, but guess what? I bet you go to your tape rolls. All you do is put a little Q-tip on the end of your tape roll, and then that way you don't have to peel it, pick it to find it. And Christmas is coming up, so you'll be using that hot tip when you're going to wrap all those presents. Okay, along those lines, how about you're wrapping up all your cords? Yeah, how about using a paper clip for that? Or you can even use one of those little hair clips for that. Great, keeps that organized, love that. Okay, and how about, let's say you have a squeaky door, okay? So good old fashioned cooking spray from your kitchen. Let's say you don't have WD-40. Let's say you don't want to walk all the way to the garage or whatever to get it. Good old cooking spray. And guess what? Even better than that, let's say you're on vacation and there's a squeaky door in your hotel room. How annoying is that? Let me tell you how many times that's happened to me with my family. And they get up in the middle of the night but guess what? I've got my suntan oil on my vacation with me. Always have this on my vacation. I'll be squirting those door hinges all night long. Yes, please. And guess what? There's other uses for this, but that's rated R. We won't talk about that right now. But you remember that the next time you go into a rated R situation with your hubby. Use your imagination. You're welcome. Okay, moving on. Let's say you're at the end of your lotion. And I am at the end of this, and this is my favorite lotion. Everybody knows Molten Brown, Dewy Lily of the Valley, and Star Anise Hand Cream. This smells amazing. But guess what you do? You just take a pair of scissors, cut that baby right in half. I'm not even joking. You watch this, okay? So you cut it in half. So now you got those last little tidbits of that, right? Take a little Q-tip, get the rest of it out, put it on. But guess what? That's not all. Now you take this little booger and you squeeze this top, and then this goes right over the top of that. You're welcome. That's how you get to the bottom of your lotion, people. How amazing is that? Now, one other thing, and this is a good thing to know. Okay, let's say you just washed your hair. I washed my hair today, and your hair's soaking wet, right? This is a hot tip, and all the makeup gals know this right now. So you divide your hair in two like this. Now wet, when your hair's wet. While you're doing your makeup, you take this half, and guess what we do? Princess Leia, little rolls like that. Take a scrunchie, roll this up in the scrunchie, and basically you're gonna let it, roll it up in this, well, you know what I mean. Roll it up in the scrunchie. I'll use this one to help. But roll both sides up in a scrunchie and leave it there while you're getting ready. And then when it's done, your hair will be dry and you'll get these little waves to it. How great is that? You're welcome. Princess Leia rolls for that. And then, okay, oh, one more thing. So let's say you have an old water bottle. Not that we're using these anymore, but if you did, guess what you do with that? Hello, you put it in your boots to keep your boots sturdy and upright. How great is that? Instead of throwing those plastic bottles away, you have to reuse them and repurpose them, and that's good for the environment too. So with that, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to watch all my other videos. I have so many great ideas every week, and I love you guys. I hope everyone's doing well. Try to stay positive for the next 7 days, because guess what's happening in the next 7 days? The god-awful election. Have you guys been watching the debates, aka the debacles? Yeah, I'll be glad when that 7 days is up. So with that, don't forget to vote. Don't forget to love God, love others, watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, love ya. Bye.